Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage screen sleep time and display timeout on Zotac Gaming Handheld. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start, navigate to the Settings, then open System, scroll down and enter Power and Battery Settings. Here you'll be able to find Screen and Sleep. We can click it Open, and then there's 4 different settings. And there's basically 2 sections, and those are for turn off my screen after and put my device to sleep after. And they work for battery power and when your Zotac Gaming Handheld is connected to battery charger. Then you'll be able to switch each of them using those options on the right. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.